Ready? 5 seconds. Start. Every election gives the winner a mandate and the opposition the responsibility of ensuring accountability of the executive. Parliamentary democracy is all about numbers, but it does not necessarily mean that we reduce the functioning of our legislature to a mere numbers game. The play of numbers should stop with the formation of governments, and thereafter it should be resorted to only in the rarest of the rare cases. An emerging economy like ours should be guided more by a shared destiny in the functioning of our legislatures. Honorable members, all that the people of our country desire is that the parliament should be the voice of sanity, echoing their concerns and finding solutions to their problems as the best way forward. Over the years, both the houses of parliament have done a reasonable good job, but somehow there is a growing concern and resentment among the people over our functioning. We need to seriously introspect over this palpable discontent with the pupil saying we are not doing enough still. We need to set an example for state legislatures by making suitable amendments to the way we speak and act here. Effective functioning of the House is all about time and space management. Both the Treasury and the opposition benches have defined space and time slots. We need to adjust ourselves within these set limits of time and space in the interest of better results. All that is needed is an attitude of give and take on the part of both the sides. This is possible through staging for effective functioning of the House rather than for its disruption. This needs an enlightened approach on the part of our all concerned. Unfortunately, obstruction and disruption of the proceedings is increasingly being chosen as the first parliamentary option in our legislatures across the country. This has serious implications for our parliamentary democracy. This option needs to be immediately replaced by a quest for effective debates and discussion to resolve issues and finding solutions to the problems being faced by our people. How do we do it? We do not have to do different things to make good use of the opportunity of being members of this august House. All that we need to do is to do things differently, and that is why intensely and passionately debating and discussing the issue rather than resorting to obstruction and disruption. Stop.